9.6 counting principles involve simple counting, permutation, and combination problems. You place 8 pieces of paper numbered 1 through 8 in a box. You draw one out, record the number, replace it back in the box. You draw a second piece of paper, record its number. You add the two numbers. How many ways can you obtain a sum of 12? So I wrote down all of my first numbers. I don't need 1, 2, and 3 because nothing added to 1, 2, or 3 from 1 to 8 will get me 12. So I wrote down all my numbers and my second numbers that would make 12, and that would occur in 5 ways. Example 2 is very similar, except you cannot replace the paper in the box. So like on example 1, I could draw 6, replace it, and I could draw 6 again. On this one, I can't draw 6, or I could draw it the first time, but I can't draw it again. So 6 is out because 6 plus 6 would be the only way to make 12. And that would occur in 4 ways. How many different pairs of letters from the English alphabet are possible? Okay, a pair is 2. There are 26 letters in the alphabet, so 26 times 26 is 676. Okay. Telephone numbers in the United States have 10 digits. The first 3 digits are the area code, and the next 7 are the local telephone number. How many different telephone numbers are possible within each area code? A telephone number cannot begin with 0 or 1. Okay, so my first spot, there are 10 digits in the entire universe, 0 to 9. Okay, so only 8 can go in this first spot because I can't use 0 or 1. Any number can go in any of the other spots. So 8 times 10 to the 6th is 8 million different telephone numbers. A permutation is an ordering of elements such that one element is first, second, and third. So order is important. How many permutations of these letters are possible? 6 of them could go here, 5 here, 4 here, 3 here, because I can't repeat them. So that would be 6 factorial. If you do anything with an exclamation point, means take that number, multiply by every number underneath him. So if I had 10 factorial, that would be 10 times 9 times 8 times 7, all the way down to 1. 8 horses are running in a race. How many different ways can these horses come in first, second, and third? So first place, there could be 8 of those horses could come in first. Whoever come in first can't come in second. Whoever came in first and second can't come in third. So 8 times 7 times 6 is 336. How many distinguishable ways can the letters in banana be written? Banana has 6 letters. So I'm going to put 6 exclamation point on top. I put all of the ones that repeat on bottom. A is there 3 times. N is there twice. B is there once. Okay, 6 factorial is 6 times all the numbers underneath him. 3 is 3 times 2 times 1, 2 times 1, and then 1. You notice that these guys cancel, so you would get 60. How many different ways can 3 letters be chosen from the letters A, B, C, D, and E? The order is not important. Okay, so I listed 3 ways, order not being important, and that would be 10 ways with 3 letters at a time. A combination, order is not important. A permutation, order is. So a standard poker hand consists of 5 cards from a deck of 52. How many different poker hands are possible? So I'm going to use this formula up here. Okay, 52 factorial goes on top. 52 minus 5 factorial on bottom, and 5 factorial on the bottom. 52 minus 5 is 47. If I was to do this all the way to 1, 47 would cancel everything that 52 had starting at 47. So I can only do 52 to 48 because 47 would cancel everything. So I'm going to do 52 to 48. Excuse the 3-year-old. 47 would cancel everything. And 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 would take care of the 5. That would make 2,598,960. Last problem, forming a team. I have a 12-member swim team, 10 girls and 15 boys. The team must consist of 5 girls and 7 boys. So I have 10 girls, I want 5 of them. I have 15 boys, I want 7 of them. So I do both of my formulas. 10 minus 5 is 5, and I place the other 5. 15 minus 7 is 8, and then I put the 7. 10 all the way to 1 will cancel with one of these 5s all the way to 1. So 10 times 9, 8, 7, 6 goes on top. This guy goes on bottom. 15 all the way to 9 will go on top because it will cancel with all of the 8 numbers. So all I have to do is put the 7 one on the bottom. All of that together makes 1,621,620.